How to apply for a loan on Lazada. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to apply for a loan on Lazada. Open the Lazada app on your mobile device. Tap on Account from the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Chat with Customer Care. Inform the customer care that you want to apply for a loan and follow their guidance. Alternatively, you can visit the Lazada Loans page. In the Lazada mobile app, tap on the Lazada wallet icon, then select Loans to view the Lazada Loans page. On the Lazada website, click on the banner at the bottom of the home page related to loans. Make sure your Lazada wallet is activated before proceeding. Choose your preferred Lazada Loans partner lender by clicking on the partner's logo. Submit your loan application to the accredited partner lender. Wait for approval from the partner lender. Once approved, the loan funds will be credited to your Lazada wallet. Start shopping on Lazada using the credited funds from your Lazada wallet. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.